Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create gold text effect in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using type tool, using blending options with the effects of bevel and emboss, inner shadow, color overlay, and drop shadow. Now let's get started. So here in our document, I have here a clear background. And the first step we're going to do is we're going to turn this background into black. So to do that, all I'm going to do is to click on the background layer on the layers panel. Then I'm going to press D for the default of the foreground color and make sure that it's set to black. Or you can also go here in the foreground color, click this one, and of course set this one to black. Then hit OK. Now, to fill this one, now I'm going to do is we're going to press Alt, hold it, and press backspace. Now we already filled this canvas with black. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, now the next step we're going to apply here will be the text layer. So to do that, we're going to make use of a type tool. So press T for the type tool, or you can just go to the toolbar and find this T-shape icon. Well, click on that. Then let's go to the options panel. For the color font, click this one, and then we're going to set this one to plain white. Hit OK. Then for the font style, well, you can choose whatever font style you want for your gold effect. Well, but in my case, I'm going to set this one into Bebas New Regular. Alright, now let's create text layer. Let's just click here on canvas, somewhere else, and then let's type down our text. Alright, then let's scale this one. So we'll click on that text layer, press Ctrl or Command plus T for the transformation command, and then click and drag those anchor points out to increase the size. Alright, and also, of course, we're going to reposition this one here at the center of our canvas. There you are. Now, the next step we're going to do is we're going to apply the blending options. So, on the text layer, all I am going to do is to right-click on that layer and then select blending options. So this layer style window should appear. So first effect we're going to apply here will be the beaver and emboss. Okay, so click on the beaver and emboss and then click on that. For the setting, I'm going to set the style to inner bevel. For the technique, chisel hard. For the depths, 300%. For the direction, up. For the size, 24. And then soften to 0. Then under the shading, I'm going to set the angle to 62 and the altitude of 35 degrees. Then for the gloss tour, yes, click this one. We're going to make use of this second one. This one, click this. And it's up to you if you want to take anti-alias or not. Well, anything works well. Then for the highlight mode, I'm going to set this one to linear dodge add. Set this one to white. For the opacity, well, 65 is good. For the shadow, it is set to multiply. Of course, set this one to black. For the opacity, 60% is okay. Then, the next effect that we're going to apply here will be the color overlay. So click on here, take this one, and click on the color overlay to change the setting. Then, under the blending mode, well, we're just going to set this one to normal and then click on this color picker. Well, we're going to set this one to FF9C00. So I repeat, FF9C00. Then hit OK. Well, for the opacity, let's just set this one into 100%. Then, next step here, let's go to inner shadow. Well, click on the inner shadow and then click on the setting. Well, for the blend mode, I'm going to set this one to normal. Just set this one to black. For the opacity, 0 is good. For the distance of 1, choke 3, size is 3. For the contour, click this one, this arrow down, and we're going to choose this one here. Yes, this one. Here's another thing. Let's go to angle. Well, you can change the angle you want for your style of shadow. Alright, so it's up to you. Well, in my case, I'm going to set this one into amount of 140. Alright, to create an effect like this. This one is good for me. Okay, now let's go to the last one. go to drop shadow. Yes, click this one to apply the effect. Then click on the drop shadow for the setting. Well, for the blending mode, I'm just going to set this one to normal and the color of black. For the opacity, 80%. For the angle, 140 degrees. For the distance, 0, spread to 5, and the size is 20. Well, everything is set. Then hit OK. And there you have it. Now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to create gold text effect in Photoshop.